Have you ever noticed how someone can go from being deeply interested to slowly becoming distant without any clear explanation? It feels confusing, even painful. Because at first everything feels strong, conversations flow, attention is high, emotions are alive. But then something changes. Replies get shorter. Energy feels different. Conversations lose depth. And you start wondering, what went wrong? The truth is this: women don't usually lose interest suddenly. In most real relationships, attraction fades slowly through emotional shifts, repeated patterns, and small things that build up over time. And most men never notice these changes until it's too late. Let's understand the real psychology behind it. One of the biggest reasons women lose interest is when a man stops growing. Not financially only, but emotionally, mentally, and in life direction. In the beginning, growth creates attraction. Ambition creates excitement. Purpose creates curiosity. But when a man becomes stuck in the same routine, with no progress, no new energy, no personal evolution, the emotional spark starts fading. Because attraction is deeply connected to movement. People are drawn to those who are becoming something. But here's the realistic truth: she doesn't expect perfection. She just wants to feel that life is still moving forward with you, not standing still. Another major reason is emotional disconnection. Many men don't realize this, but women often express emotional dissatisfaction long before they emotionally detach. They start saying things like, "I don't feel understood. You don't listen like before. You've changed." These are not random complaints. In most cases, they are early emotional signals. But when these signals are ignored repeatedly, emotional distance slowly builds. And sometimes, she doesn't leave immediately, she disconnects emotionally first. A very real part of relationships is emotional energy shift. At the start, everything feels alive: curiosity, attention, effort, excitement. But over time, conversations can become routine. Messages become predictable. Effort reduces without anyone noticing. And suddenly, she doesn't feel like she's in something emotionally exciting anymore, she feels like she's in a routine. Another common reason is neediness. At first, attention feels sweet. But when it turns into constant checking, over-texting, insecurity, or emotional dependency, it becomes overwhelming. Because attraction needs space. Even love needs breathing room. The fix is simple but powerful: build your own identity outside the relationship. Your goals, your growth, your life. Ironically, the less you chase validation, the more naturally attraction grows. Confidence also plays a major role. But real confidence is not dominance or ego. It's emotional stability. When someone is always insecure, always overthinking, always asking for reassurance, it creates emotional pressure in the relationship. And slowly, attraction weakens. Another silent relationship killer is poor communication. Not fights, but unresolved emotions. Many relationships don't break because of arguments. They break because the same problems keep repeating without real solutions. One person tries to express. The other avoids. Nothing changes. And emotional distance grows quietly. Then comes one of the most overlooked reasons: feeling taken for granted. At the beginning, effort feels natural. People check in, show care, express appreciation. But over time, that effort slowly disappears. And in real life, this matters more than people admit. Because nobody wants to feel invisible in a relationship. Even small things matter: a message asking how her day went. Remembering something she mentioned weeks ago. Showing appreciation without being reminded. These small efforts often decide emotional closeness. A very real psychological truth is effort imbalance. When one person feels like they are trying harder, planning, fixing, caring more, emotional burnout starts. Because love feels strongest when effort feels mutual. Another important factor is emotional safety. If a relationship becomes controlling, overly jealous, or emotionally intense in a negative way, attraction slowly fades. Love should feel safe, not stressful. Then there is emotional boredom. Not because someone is boring, but because the relationship stops creating new emotional experiences. Same conversations. Same routine. Same emotional pattern. And slowly, excitement fades. Romance is not always big gestures. In real life, romance is consistency. It's laughter after a long day. Random conversations. Feeling emotionally alive together. Another deep reason women lose interest is lack of respect. Not just insults, but tone, attitude, and emotional disregard during conflict. Because love cannot survive long where respect is missing. And finally, the deepest reason, emotional invisibility. Sometimes a woman doesn't stop caring immediately. She just stops feeling emotionally seen. She feels unheard. Unimportant. Emotionally disconnected. And that is when attraction quietly fades. Because in real relationships, love doesn't end first, emotional connection does. And when connection disappears for long enough, love slowly follows. The real truth is simple. Women don't usually lose interest for one big reason. It happens through many small emotional shifts over time. But the good news is, awareness can change everything. Because when you understand emotional patterns, communication, and growth, you don't just fix relationships. You improve how you connect with people forever. So the real question is not, why did she lose interest? The real question is, what changed in the emotional connection?